Next, I'll demonstrate the fern stitch. You can see two patterns above. Let's start with this pattern. Using 4 strands of color number 5. Come up at upper left. Back to center point and down. Come up from middle. Back to center point and down. Come up at upper right. Again, back to center and down. Let me show again. Down at center. Come up, take down. That's first method. There's another way. Again, start at upper left. Take down at middle. Bring needle up vertically. Back to center. Bring up toward upper right. Back to center and down. Let me show once more. Come up at upper left. Bring needle up vertically at center. Return needle to center. Bring up toward upper right. Back to center and down. These are 2 fern stitch methods. Use whichever you prefer. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Now for this pattern. Looks more complex, but uses same technique. Just connect it together. Let me demonstrate. Using 4 strands of color number 3 for connected line. Come up at upper left. Take down at center. Take it down. Following these steps, complete all remaining lines. Keep stitches close together. Completed fern stitch. Looks like leaf outline. Perfect for floral patterns. Creates realistic effect. Now for middle line. Using 4 strands of color number 4. We used first method before. Now let's try second method. For this stitching, final stitch down. Let's look at the result.